Hi guys, welcome back to Vanilla Mommy channel, where today I will show you how to prepare a smoothie in 4 simple steps. But before we start, first things first. Why do you want to make a smoothie? What do I mean? Some people want to make a smoothie because they want to lose weight, and this is not always the best way to do that. A smoothie still has a considerable amount of calories, so losing weight will still depend on the amount of calories you consume throughout the rest of the day. Secondly, smoothies can still have a large amount of sugars. It's very important to balance the sugars out with some healthy fat or protein. Why do they have a large amount of sugars? When you blend the fruit, the sugar is released from the cell wall, and this can create a spike because the sugars are released straight away. Secondly, a smoothie has a low satiety factor. If you eat the individual fruit and veg whole as whole foods, they will fill you up more and for a longer time. When you are blending it, you lose this. Digesting food starts with chewing food in the mouth, and by blending the food, you are skipping the step. The smoothie will have a lower satiety factor, will fill you up less, and might even make you feel a bit bloated. When are smoothies healthy and the right choice? First of all, if you don't have time for breakfast and the alternative to making a smoothie means that you're going to take a ready packaged cereal which is very high in sugar, then yes, the smoothie is a healthy choice. Secondly, if there are specific vegetables or foods that you or your child are not going to eat as whole foods anyway, and this is the only way you're going to take them, then yes, this is a healthier choice. Number 3, if you are eating a lot of junk food and you want to cut down on junk food and the smoothie is going to replace a meal, then yes, go for it. And finally, smoothies are also very effective as a keto protein shake after a gym workout. Now we can get down to business on how to prepare the actual smoothie. The key to preparing a healthy smoothie is to have the right balance between fruit, veg, protein and fat. And you can do this in my 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose the base. I like to use things which are low in sugar, so I wouldn't opt for packaged juice. Go for milk, water, tea, natural juices and things like that. Step 2. Add your favorite fruit and vegetables. The best way to prepare a smoothie, the easiest way rather, is to freeze bananas which are going a bit overripe, to have them ready to chuck straight into the blender. Other examples: avocado, cucumber, spinach, cauliflower, oranges, peaches, strawberries. The list is endless. Step 3. Thicken it up. Unless you are using a frozen banana, you would probably need to thicken up your smoothie. You can do this by using yogurt, nut butter, ice cubes, and some other items that you can see here on the list. Step 4. Flavor it. We all like a little bit of extra flavor in our smoothies. You can sweeten it by using things like honey or maple syrup, or you can even add flavor like cinnamon, dates, to give it that little bit of sweetness. Step 5. Step 5 is completely optional. You can add some extra superfoods like chia seeds, hemp, flax to give it that extra boost. So there you have it. All you have to do is put your chosen ingredients into the blender. Blend your ingredients until they are smooth and just pour it into a glass and drink. Today we're going to prepare my favorite smoothie. This was one of my first posts on the blog over 2 years ago, and it is the avocado cucumber smoothie. So here are the ingredients that you need to prepare this smoothie. all you have to do is put the ingredients into the blender and blend until it's smooth and it is at your desired consistency. Love it. Thank you for watching us. Be sure to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See you next time.